We have this bunny cut out, and we painted him with wise owl, snow owl, and we gave him 2 coats. Now it's completely optional. You can also paint the back side of him if you wish, but we're not going to show that in this video. Once dry, we had this napkin that had 4 faces on each napkin, and we cut out 1 square. Now you need to remove the ply that's on the back of the napkin before decoupaging. You're going to take a pair of scissors and cut between the ears and the eyebrows. And you're going to line up the face. While holding one side, you're going to flip the other half over, and with your foam brush, you're going to apply either Mod Podge or Wise Owl varnish. And then you're going to flip the other side over and repeat the same process. Put it on the bottom, and then you're going to put it across the top. Now, if I put some extra varnish or Mod Podge along the edges of his face, the moisture will allow you to just tear the napkin right off. You can also let it dry and sandpaper it off if you'd prefer. Now at this point, you want to take a piece of saran wrap, as the napkin is very delicate, and that's when you want to rub your finger to get any wrinkles, bubbles, or any imperfections out. Now you want to cover the rest of the bunny with either the Mod Podge or the Wise Owl varnish. You want to measure out his collar, which we used a piece of lace ribbon, and then we cut it in half. And you're going to take the straight edge and put it towards the top. You can either use your Mod Podge or your varnish as a glue. And then you're going to hot glue your paper embellished flowers as buttons. Now, putting him aside, we're taking these little wooden glasses, and we decided to paint ours yellow using goldenrod. Now, we found if you just did a dab of hot glue on the bridge of the glasses, that was enough to hold it. Our hanger got some paint on it, so we did remove it and replaced it with a new one. We are offering a kit, $25, including the shipping. And these are the supplies you will get. And guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more tutorials, check us out on YouTube, chalkitupfancy.com.